Welcome to this part 2 of our video. Today we are going to achieve this particular channel art using another alternative, which is Canva. And before that, if this is your first time here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our Facebook page, which is Divine Touch Technologies. Let's embark on today's project, which is to come up with a YouTube channel art using a different alternative, and in this case we have Canva. Canva is a free platform whereby you can design your graphics. So let's search that is Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva. There it is. Click on that particular link. It will bring us to this particular page. If you are new, please sign up on this particular link here, and if you already have an account like I do, click on this icon, and then let me enter my password. Then login. There we are. So on this particular part, we will scroll under the create a design, and in this case we will have templates on this side. These are my previous designs, so these are the thumbnails. So we focus on this particular part here, and already you have the measurements, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Let's click on that. Remember, we are going to achieve this same channel art using Canva. So there it is. We have the measurements, which is 2560 by 1440. So the first thing that we need to do is to use the YouTube channel art template that we used the other time, and in this case I have it under uploads. Uploads is where you have your graphics from your machine to the online platform. So let's scroll so that we can access that particular template. There it is. So we click on it. So as you can see, it is not filling the page that we have here, so we need to stretch it proportionally. There we have it. There it is. So again, as I told you earlier, we need to put our graphics and text in this particular area so that it doesn't spill over to this end and this other end. So again, the graphic that I'll be using uploaded already. So when you have your graphic that you want to use, you can upload it here. Let's try that. So it will direct you to your machine and you'll be able to upload your graphics. So let's start with this one here. So we need to resize this. We need to resize it as small as possible. We can also rotate it using this handle here. There it is. So I can also bring it there. So I need also to resize it, and as I bring it down, you're seeing those lines, so it's between the center of this particular part, so it will guide us. So let me do that again. There it is. You see that line, so that particular graphic is between or centered here. As I do that, I don't want this to be cut out, so as I drag it up, there'll be there'll be a line guiding us down here that will help us not to make this spill out of the rectangles. And there we have it. 2, we need another graphic here, and in this case I have 1 over here. I need also to do that so that as I place it here it will fit. That is still too big for us. Let's do that, and as I position, there'll be some lines that will snap to that particular graphic. So let me try that, and there we have it. Let me put that over there. 2, 3, we have this one here. This one will place it at this particular end, so let me resize that. Let me place it over here. There it is. I'll also, yeah, that is the line I was looking for. So it will show us that content below this line. There is it. Content below that particular pink line will not be visible, so the graphic is within our save areas. We almost are completing this particular design, but yet we don't have the text within this particular area here. So I go for text. Text is found on the left, so I click on that and I look for a font which is nice. I think this one is okay. We'll click on that. The moment you click on this text, it will give you the same text over here. I need to delete part of that. I need also to delete this. Then I need to stretch this so that the text fits at the top part. So let's have select all of that, and I'll be using Kyle Vengers, and I need also to position the same text at the center. There it is. I need also to copy this and paste it over there. I'll have to drag this one down over there. Then what we have here is the next level in IT services. So we need to put that the next level in IT services. We need also to stretch that, and then we need to reduce. That is 90. We can have 80. Still too big, but we can position it to this other side here at the center. Still not fitting. We can have it that way. Not bad. We can still have this graphic resized. Not bad. This one you need to place it at the center. There it is. Again, we can change the color of this particular title to a different one by going here. You can have that particular color. Down here, we also go for a different one. Think orange. Not bad. So we have inputted the graphics, the title, and we need to complete this by going through the background. So let me see if we can get some backgrounds. Let me see. So when you click on the background tab here, you get access to this, and as you over one of these, it say free. There are some which are paid versions. In this case, we'll go for free versions. Let's scroll down. Before we do that, we need to do away with this. So I'll click on delete key after selecting the template, and we will remain with the graphics and the text. Let's still scroll. Let's scroll down as we look for the perfect background for our channel art. Depending on what you're doing, there are a lot of backgrounds here that will fit the brand or a design or a channel art that you are designing. Mine, I think it's down here. Let's still scroll down. We are almost there. There it is. We have it there. I think this is the one. That is the one. As we can see, it's the same, but we need to change the text color here to this particular one here. This one we need to change it to black, so that it, yes, there it is. And we're almost done with this particular design. We can still have this one here over 100, so that it's 104. That is okay. Can still bring it down using the arrow down key. We are done with this. So the next thing we need to do is to export this finished our channel art, and we upload it to our YouTube channel. Before we do that, we need to click on this icon here, and we click on download. It will give us an option of having a transparent, but we need to pay for that. That means we use the one that we have here. We click download. It's preparing our design to be downloaded. There it is. It is done. So let's note the location of our graphic. So it's under downloads, and I think it's down here. There it is, downloads. So let's go to our channel, and like the other time that we uploaded our channel art, you need to log in to your YouTube channel, going through up here to your channel. Then you will come to this particular place, and you click anywhere on this particular art. It will give you an option of selecting a different channel art. Let's click on this particular place. Remember, our design was under downloads. Let's click on that. There we have our channel art. Click on that. Let's upload that. Give it a second to upload the graphic. And before we complete this, we need to verify our design if it fits in the tablet version, the DV version, and the mobile version. Almost done. There it is. So it's okay in our desktop, our TV it's okay, and our mobile it is okay. We will finish this by clicking on the select button, and there it is. Our graphic or channel art in this case is complete. If you have any question, some comments, put them down on the comments box below. If you have any suggestion, please leave a comment below. and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.